welcome to our VBA Center YouTube channel. So today's topic will be how to add what is a favicon, how we add a favicon in our website, and how we can make a favicon in Adobe Illustrator, how we can export that file and include in our Visual Studio Code Editor to get to display that favicon in our website. Okay, so first let's understand what is a favicon. So favicon also is known as favorite icon. Favicon is a small icon that represents a website and appears in the browser tab or on a bookmark tab. Okay, it is defined in HTML using the link tag with the rel attribute set to icon. Okay, so the rel attribute is set to the icon, and we can in href tag we give the absolute or the relative file path of that particular favicon. So we will be coming up in the next video in which we will be teaching you about what is the absolute URL and what is a relative URL. Okay, and the favicon is also termed as favorite icon. Okay, so let's understand how we can create it in Adobe Illustrator. For learning how we can operate with Adobe Illustrator and how you can work on it, you can refer to our previous videos under which we have explained how we can make any icon or how we can work on Adobe Illustrator software. Okay, so let's understand first what pixel size should favicon be. So it should be between 16 into 16 pixel. It should be with 16 into 16 pixel, or else it should be 32 into 32 pixel. Okay, that is the standard size which is followed for the favicon. So now let's first understand about how we can make a favicon. So let's go to our Adobe Illustrator. So for the time being, I already have downloaded this particular vector images for your reference. So first let's go to our artboard, and in here we have to give our width of the artboard as 16 pixel and also the height of the artboard as 16 pixel. Okay, done. And now we have to select our icon and adjust it inside this. Control plus to zoom in, and control minus to zoom out of the screen. While you are dragging the images, if you drag like this, you will be the image resolution changes. So what you have to do is you have to select the image which you want to resize, select it, and then go to this part. Sorry, select this and yes, yeah, and then select shift, and you can make it still small. Okay, and then alignment, you align it, center aligned and top to bottom alignment. So now let's check, it is going a little out of frame. So let's make it again little small, give the center alignment and top down alignment. So once the alignment is done, now it is the icon is coming inside our artboard. Now you can export it. So this artboard size currently I am using is 16 into 16 pixel, as you can see here. Okay, and also you can use 32 into 32 pixel, which is also a standard size for using it in the favicon. So now for now, let's go on with 16 into 16 pixel. And now you have to export it. So for exporting it properly according to the pixel size, you have to go to file. Again, you have to come to the export, and from export you have to go as save to web. Okay, and in here it is the one, the format I am downloading it is in JPG. You can go with a PNG if you wish to, and you can use that as well. There is no problem doing that. Okay, and so let's download this. Okay, so When you click save, you will go to your computer storage, and here you go to downloads and just name it as Fav. I see. Okay, so Favicon is already there. Let me make it one and just save it. Okay. So once saved, let's check out if it is there. It's there in downloads. This is the one I have downloaded. So let's take this Control X and then come here to our. Okay, I'll explain you how from where this folder structure has come. So when we go to Visual Studio, I have created a folder as BBS YouTube, and under that I have created one more folder as Favicon. Since I'm explaining and learning, teaching you guys about Favicon, I'm termed as Favicon. Inside that we have index.html where we are typing all our code, and then here I have two icons. So the first one is Favicon, which I used it before, and the one which first one is the favicon.png, which we had used it earlier, and I'll show you that output as well. And the one which we have called now, how we can include that in our code, we will be checking out with that. So first, let me show you the output we have produced. So this is the output which we were having before. So let me refresh once. So you can see the title of the page as HTML5 icon, and this is what you see. This is known as the Fav icon, okay? And again, after that, we have some content on our main screen. Okay, so let's go back, let's learn, let's understand the code, and let's understand how we can, the one which I have done now, right, from Adobe Illustrator, how we can include that image here, and let's understand the flow. So first of all, I have called my head tag, under which I have written my title tag, under which I have given as HTML favicon, right? So that output, you can see it here, HTML favicon, you can see it in the title, okay? So let's add how we can, so we have used the link tag, that is link has been opened. And then inside that we have rel attribute, which tells it is an icon. And then again we have href attribute, under which we are calling our relative image URL, that is favicon.png. Okay, so it should, the image which you want, it has to be inside this particular BBS YouTube folder. Okay. So now let's check how this logo comes up, which we just designed in Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so let's come here and let's name this as fun. Okay, so this is the one. So how we can do this, I'll just show it once. So when you want to come out of index.html and take the favicon one.jpg, what we have to do is we have to press a dot and a backslash. So you have come one directory outside of index.html, and then we have done it favicon one.png. So let's use this and let's check the output. Okay, let's refresh. Yeah, it's already coming. You can see it here, right? It's already coming. Okay, so that is our favicon which we are using, which we have called now. So that's it. That is the favicon we have called, and we have to use this particular link tag under head tag. Okay, so once head tag is closed, again I have opened the body tag, and there is we have used some one h1 tag and one paragraph tag. So this particular video was to teach you guys how we can include favicon in our websites and how we can use them, and how we can create a favicon in Illustrator. And also the size of the favicon should be 16 into 16 pixel, or else it should be 32 into 32 pixels. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you for watching. Please share it with your friends if you find it is useful, and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.